everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know I just did one not too long ago, but I did want to get this out before I did start using it. My last video I did a what's in my bag, so if you want to go see what I carry, just go check that out. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what your favorite Louis Vuitton item is. Alrighty, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty, so in today's Louis Vuitton unboxing, I kind of gave y'all a hint in my first video of my first Louis Vuitton unboxing. So it just comes in the little bag like this, and in the box is a little one, so you can kind of more or less guess what it is. So I'm just gonna slide it out. And of course comes in the little dust bag. And for the reveal, it is the Louis Vuitton Rosalie coin purse. And this is just a little compact wallet. It has the fuchsia interior with the monogram print. So this actually kind of has the same envelope style as the Emily wallet does. So again, like I previously said in the other unboxing, I think I am gonna put the nail polish on top so that way it doesn't start cracking or anything like that when I start using it. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to open it, show y'all the inside. I just love it. I did get my initials hot stamped on here. This one is made in Spain. And again, this is the fuchsia interior. And this is what it looks like inside. So it has one pocket here. It has a card slot, another open space, another card slot, and then the zipper for the change. And it also has the leather pull tab. And yeah, I absolutely love this wallet. When I was looking for one, I was looking for a compact wallet because I have the favorite MM in the monogram print as well. So I wanted to get one that fit, which my Emily wallet, and I do have a Clemence wallet as well, and they both fit perfectly in there, but I wanted one that matched and one that was smaller, that way I could put other things in my purse, because usually my wallet would fill up. And actually the favorite crossbody, it actually can be expanded, but I don't want to like have to stretch it out or anything like that. So again, this is the wallet, and it's just a one canvas, so it goes all the way around as so, and is the snap button closure. I was thinking of getting the Victorine wallet, which is like the trifold, and I do want that one, but I think I'm gonna wait on that because I do have this one, and I think this one is gonna do, you know, perfectly fine. You know, it has the card slots and the change zipper. What a lot of people don't like about this wallet or this type of style is that you have to fold your bills. So with the Victorine wallet, you don't. It's just when it's a trifold, you obviously have a big slot to put the cash in there, which I don't really mind having to fold my cash, because usually whenever I'm getting change back, I kind of just am in a hurry to go ahead and put it back into my wallet because I get really bad anxiety. Like I'm holding people up in the line or anything like that. So I try to hurry and just put my stuff in here. So I think this is a good little wallet. And the reason that I got the fuchsia interior, there's only 2 colors that it comes in, which is the fuchsia and the rose ballerine. Which, again, if you saw my other videos, you know that I have the Emily wallet in the rose ballerine, and my Neverfull has the rose ballerine interior, and my Clemence wallet, which is my very first Louis Vuitton wallet, is the rose ballerine interior as well. So I did want to get something different, which is why I picked up the fuchsia interior, and I'm honestly happy with it. I was really debating, like, should I just keep going with the pink interior? Should I, switch it up? Because I was like looking at all these pictures and all these reviews, and a lot of people had the pink interior, and I was like, you know what, I need to do something different because I already have 3 things that have the pink interior. But you know what, I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with my purchase, and I think the gold looks so nice on the fuchsia. It looks so pretty, and I'm very happy with it. And yeah, so this is just the little unboxing that I did today. I think soon I'm gonna do maybe a Louis Vuitton collection, which I don't have that many things, but I have watched other videos, and they say like if you have like more than 4 or 5 items, like you technically have a collection, like you're starting a collection, and which I might do that, I'm not sure yet, but I don't have that many things, but yeah, this was just my little unboxing of my new wallet, and I'm so happy that I got that. Again, for my smaller purses and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more content of other things that I just buy, or I might be doing some vlogs soon. I really don't know what's to come yet, but please stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!